Losing weight is one of the most difficult tasks. Lemon tea is the ultimate solution to lose weight. It helps to lose extra body fat and burn calories at a faster pace. It even helps to boost the metabolism of the body and lets you stay healthy. Here are the 4 reasons why you should drink lemon tea for weight loss. 1. Controls overeating. Lemon has vitamin C, which helps in reducing cortisol levels. Cortisol is a stress hormone which promotes hunger even though you have eaten a stomach full of a meal. Drinking a cup of lemon tea helps to reduce the stress levels and therefore control overeating. 2. Low in calories. Lemon tea has fewer calories in them. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice contains only 3 calories and 1/3 fat. Thus, if you drink a cup of lemon tea, you don't consume many calories and burn more fat. 3. Reduces sugar consumption. Lemon has natural tartness. You can add lemon juice instead of sugar in the tea. This makes you consume fewer calories and helps regulates body weight. This way, lemon helps to reduce sugar consumption. 4. Detoxes body. Lemon tea has a diuretic effect and helps to release the toxins from the body. It helps to burn the extra fat from the body and regulates your body weight. So, these are the 4 reasons why you should drink lemon tea for weight loss.